Lighting. Electrical and lighting positions are often left to the last minute. One of my pet hates is a grid of spotlights on the ceiling with no relation to what it's lighting and what's going on in the rest of the room. So how do we avoid that right from the start without blowing the budget on huge expensive lighting? Like with all design, think about how you use the space, where you want to light really well, like the stairs or kitchen, and where you want to be able to go with a little bit more mood lighting. Think of your lighting as layers. It doesn't all need to be super bright and in your face. There are 3 types of lighting: ambient or general, task lighting, and accent lighting. And there's loads of different ways to achieve them: up lighting, down lighting, indirect lighting, recessed, and pendants. Where your switches are is also really important. Use your plans to walk around, or if you're already on site, then mark on the walls where your switches will be. Think about switches when you come into your house or flat, walking up and down the stairs, when you come in and out of a bedroom, or going into the living space and kitchen. How easy is it to turn those lights on and off? And how do you access the switches for ambient lighting, such as over a kitchen counter? PIR switches or motion detection switches are fantastic. So they are great in cupboards or utility rooms, so you don't need to reach for the switch every time. I love long views through spaces, so having recessed lighting where you can't actually see the bulbs works really well. Think about the spacing of lights for maximum visual harmony. Then layering up with accent lighting or task lighting, depending what you need in that room. Recessed spots above glazing or doors works beautifully. Position them carefully though, either in the centre or equal distance from the edge of each pane. And I love hotel rooms for lighting inspiration. And one of the most important things to remember, ensure you can turn your bedroom lights off when you're in bed.